Can I see your ID? Why the hell would I show random people my ID? You want to steal my identity? Where's your ID? Let me check if you're a U.S. citizen. How about that? Man, you guys better move on, man. Look at this motherfucker. A4. What kind of name is that? Alcohol 4? What's your initial? Right here. It ain't over there. You motherfucker might be shooting. Why would I answer you? Why would I not be a citizen of this country, man? Are you a citizen? Why are you getting close? I can hear you. You can stand there.
I'm not close.
How come she got a GoPro and you got your a police issued body cam? What's going on with you guys?
Why do I have it?
What kind of shit is this? Dude, listen. I'm here working. You're working too, right? So go. It says U.S. Border Patrol. This is not the border. Go to the Canada border or the Mexico border.
But if you were from
I'm
this country,
working, dude.
If you were from this country, you know I'm an immigration officer.
What do you mean if I'm from this country?
I can hear you don't have the same accent as me. That's why I'm
Oh,
asking
so
you.
you're going by accents now?
I want to know where you were born.
Is?
Where were you born?
Is that accents? Have you heard the Israeli accent? Have you heard the European accent?
You just
it's
proved
garbage.
my point. You're a brilliant
it's
man.
retarded,
You just
dude.
proved my point.
You going by accents?
Man. You just proved other countries.
You guys want to argue? I got time. I got time today.
You're not arguing. You're proving my point.
Today, man.
Thank you, sir.
You guys do whatever you want to do.
Where's your ID, sir?
I'm not going to show you. I don't have to show you anything. If a police officer comes here, I'll comply with it. But U.S. Border Patrol, I don't even know if you're a real police officer. Where's your ID?
But you just said it.
Where's your ID?
You just said it.
And I'm not going to go by C20. That's a periodic chemical. That's a periodic element. C20? What are you, carbon 20?
I'm wearing my ID.
Mills C20. I said, why are you walking away, Mills? Come back. Hey, Mills, come back. Mills, come back. Come back. No, hell no. Why would I come there? You come here.
Then shut
You
up.
came to my car. I'm chilling on my social media. This lady comes knocking, sir. You're no Mexican. And it's a shame. You ain't even got a camera on. You got the police camera. Yeah, you got a nice camera.
Yeah.
You guys just shot somebody now. Who else you guys want to do?
That ain't us, big dog.
That ain't you guys? It wasn't ice?
Different three
That wasn't ice? Come on now. Can't read? My nigga. Whoa. Move on now. Harassing Africans. You guys got the right guy, man. I got the time today.
So you're from
Mr. Mills.
Africa?
Mr. Mills.
So you're from Africa?
Where you from, Mr. Mills, with your big ass body? Where you from?
Big ass body.
Yeah.
That's a strange
All
compliment.
of these other motherfuckers small, man. Look at your offices. Hey, the famous guy.
what's going
I've
on,
seen
man?
this guy on TikTok. Look at it. He got gas canisters and shit. What's up, officer? How you doing, man? Let me talk to you guys. You doing all right today? What's up, man? You doing all right?
I ran
I seen you.
one on Facebook.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, with the soundtrack and everything. These guys, your office is coming over here harassing the hell out of me. This guy's saying because, no, he said because I got an accent.
Yeah, and you said,
He has a
you said everyone from other countries.
Yeah, have you seen the European accent, brother? It's worse than
Thank you
mine.
so much.
I know you guys can understand my English. I got an accent, I know that. I'm black too.
Hey, I've got an accent.
Yeah, you got a Boston accent.
Oh, which is crazy.
I do.
What's going on, guys?
You said I have an
here.
accent.
Homeland Security in person. The big boss over here.
What's going on?
Niggas harassing people. Telling me, are we in Germany?
No, come on.
What do you guys want to do today? You guys want to take me in or something?
You're running it right now.
Depends. Are you an illegal alien?
Illegal alien, man. I feel like I'm from another planet. Yes. I might be from another planet.
Well, okay. Well,
Yeah.
if that's the case, if you're from another planet, that counts too.
Well, if that counts, well, I'm an alien, guys. Let's do DNA tests and shit. You got a lab? We can run some blood tests to see what they're seeing. Yeah.
Hey, I shave too.
I mean, yours,
Yours is prettier than mine.
You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, Mr. Mills. Mr. C20, cup on 20. And alcohol 5 over here. I go by A3. Nice to meet you. Man, isn't this crazy though? You guys are doing a crazy job going everywhere. You literally
Appreciate that. Thank you.
That's crazy.
Yes.
But the thing is, you just going off the wrong shit. You gotta find the criminals, man, not the people working. This is an Uber waiting lot. We're literally working. You know, I've been here since. Criminals doing Uber?
Oh yeah.
That's not how it works, brother. Maybe criminals are doing ICE. How about that? You know what I'm saying? You guys shooting at people, man. Somebody just got shot for what? Why did you guys shoot that lady? Answer me that. There's an officer today that shot a lady in the head, dude.
Really?
For what?
I don't know why they do that, man.
You got all these stuff. You could have just got her, man. She's not gonna like fly out of the country
Like an alien.
like an alien with a spaceship.
With a spaceship.
Yeah, yeah. It is what it is, guys. What you guys want to do? I'm literally the biggest, the head of all of these guys is literally here, man.
What do I got to do with Uber rides?
And because you know there's a bunch of hardworking Somalians here, you guys just coming to terrorize them, man. Why are you guys acting like terrorists?
Terrorists. I think
fuck, dude?
I think your idea of terrorism.
Every person here is working. Uber, if you don't have an app, if Uber didn't verify you, if your app is not active, you cannot be here working. Do you know that?
Does Uber verify citizenship or?
Dude, I don't work
Legal
for
status?
Uber in that capacity. They're
But you
literally
see what I'm
pimping
saying,
me
right?
out too.
You see what I'm saying? Like Uber doesn't verify your legal status to be in or
Dude,
in.
they make sure that you're safe. They do a background check. They just don't. They just don't give you the app access immediately. They run the
I
background
understand
check.
that. I understand. I
So
think that's great.
yeah, it is what it is. You guys coming here pissing in our little porta potties, man, taking over everything.
But you
Shalkaaga haddaan raaco maalin kastaba saa carruurtaada beri la qabanaa alla ayaa tahay.
حقا أولاده
Come on, my nigga.
حقا أولاده وديني كده
إلهي كعبسو. Just fear God. Don't fear this uniform.
أنا ما ودي لنا ودي قبل just taking pictures yeah nobody got that
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Well, okay. All right. Gotcha.
10 for
Good? All right, let's go. Hey, guys, zone 4. Zone 4. Zone 4, okay? See you guys.
what's up?
Uno 141.
It's
What's
B
that?
B.
No. Relax, bro. I know how to spell.
Okay.
I actually have an engineering degree. You know that? And I'm
No, I
fucking
don't
doing-
know, but when you
yeah,
said Bruno-
I'm telling you. Listen,
but you said
let's
Bruno,
not
but it's not an
talk
O,
to
it's
each
a
other in a
zero.
retarded way. You want to have a conversation like a normal person?
Yeah, sure.
I could talk to you like
Yes,
a
sir.
normal. I'm a fucking engineer, graduated from Washington State University.
That's great.
$70,000 student loans.
That
I
sucks.
and I'm doing Uber. You know what that means? I'd rather make an honest day's living. I don't go harassing people at work, dude. What
Well,
the
if you have
hell
an
is
engi-
that?
If you have an engineer,
Bro,
you go be an engineer. I don't understand.
all of you guys need psychiatric checkups. This is not normal. Why do you go to people's workplaces to harass them?
All right. Have a good day,
Yeah,
sir.
go with C61.
you're a cougar
Man, R56, man, fuck off.
have a good day sir
Get out of here, man. Get a better name. R56, what the fuck is that?
that's a name
Man, that's a shitty ass initial, man. Get out of here.
alright sir we're sorry the
I'm gonna go back to Twitter to watch the lady that you guys just shot up. What the fuck is that? You guys just shot some lady, man. Dumbass.